Hi and welcome to Lazy Gadgets today. Yeah, smoothly. Another laser revolver. Made of brass mostly. It's a new version of that Rage Settler pistol I made a while ago. Actually, pretty much same drill in there. The lock locks in much smoother than before. The old version looks like a piece of crap compared to this one. The release is also pretty smooth. You can just click it back in, and the only thing that bothers me is the springs on the side, but the customer, he actually liked it as it is. Let's try off the laser, and that's it for today. Oh yeah, nice little afterglow. And that's it for today. Very short demonstration. Yeah, I really like this. Sometimes I'm really proud of myself and my machining skills, non-existing machining skill. And that's it for today. Up next, I'm probably gonna show off my steampunk lightsaber hilt without a blade. I made a hilt with a nice crystal in it and some lights and a lot of detail, just because I was in the mood for it. So yeah, that's up next. If you like, leave a like, and I see you guys next time.